I am in my backyard right now. The two monarch butterflies that were just here a few seconds ago, they just flew over into the other yard, so I'm gonna try to hunt for eggs. And I do this because I want the monarchs to stay alive. I'm hunting for monarch eggs, and why I do this is because there are ants and wasps, there's one right there, that are trying to eat the caterpillars and the eggs. And these red beetles do not help. These red beetles try to eat them. I've seen them trying to eat the caterpillars and the eggs. That's why we have to quickly rescue them. And I've seen the butterflies that are drying outside in our milkweed patch, and they fly away, but there are a lot of wasps because of all of these pretty flowers and our pear tree. So then the wasps come and attack and kill the butterfly. That's why we save the monarchs and bring them in, and when they're ready to fly, then we release them out into the wild, into our backyard. And if they're females, they sometimes come back and lay eggs. So I'm just gonna keep checking for eggs right here. Let's see, I don't see any eggs. I'm gonna check. Oh look, there's a milkweed pod right here. When the flower dies, then there is a milkweed pod that sprouts. There's a few here, and oh look, there's an ant. See, if there was an egg there, I would have to quickly get that before the ant got to it. I'm gonna keep checking. I gently tilt over the leaves in the plant to check if there are any monarch eggs. Oh look, there's one right here. On the side. Now you may notice that it is not a perfect circle or an oval. It is sort of like an oval with a point on top of it. It is not perfect as a circle. If you find them and they're a perfect circle, that is not a monarch egg. So we can see here that we have lots of milkweed, and I'm gonna go in here. Let me see. Okay, look how tall our milkweed is. This is me. This is my milkweed. They're taller than me. That's crazy. And that's only because we've been growing them and they've been in our backyard for a long time. See, I'm searching for eggs. And if I don't find eggs, then I go to the next plant. And when it gets into the afternoon time, there's a lot of wasps here because of the flowers, the sun, and our pear trees over there. And then the ants also come, and the flies, and the beetles. So then we have to quickly save the eggs before they get eaten. And the bugs may eat them. And I've seen spiders on the milkweed, so if there's eggs on that milkweed, we have to quickly take it off. And you can see there are starting to be wasps just flying around over here. And if there were butterflies here, then we would have to quickly save them, put them inside, and when they're ready to fly away, then we quickly release them and they go flying away. That is why we catch and release the monarchs and the eggs, so we can keep the life cycle going.